Everyone, especially you, sir. My name is Giancarlo Capi, and I am the reporting of reason for non-adaptation of technology and adaptation of technology. First is ignorance. So ignorance, when we say ignorance, lack of knowledge for our farmers and lack of ideas, because farmers before, they're not willing to learn about the new technologies. So next is farmer did not believe it because it was new to them. So uh, the farmers before is hindi nila matanggap ang technology kasi nakasanay na nila yung mga experience na nakasanay na mga experience nila uh, kumpara sa mga teknolohiya. So next is they have not yet seen to demonstration field. So the farmers before, hindi sila active sa mga programa ng mga farms technology. So subalit noon wala pang mga gaanong mga nag-conduct ng mga farm education. So that's why they are not adapting the new generation. So next is they worried about loyal. So kibali nasarayan na nila yung mga pagbaba ng kanila mga produkto. So kasi walang mga new technologies noon, so subalit hanggang mga bad practices nila ngayon, uh, parating bababa ang kanilang mga income. So low education. So low education, the farmers before, uh, wala gaanong mga edukasyon para sa farming. So they can still do the bad practices on how to handle the farms. So next is old age farms did not believe in the new technology and only believe in their own experience. So sila nagabase na sila sa ilang mga experience kaysa mga bagong teknolohiya karon kay mas mobilib pa sila sa ilahang mga experience kay kumpara sa bagong teknolohiya. So next is the old behavior of cultivation practices was embedded in farm for a long period. Were not persuaded to use a new technology, they only practice their practice such as using a high rate of seeds indirectly, broadcasting and spraying pesticides to the prevention of insect occurrence. So the farmers before, they're lacking of knowledge to how to uh, cultivation. So for example sa farmers before, uh, without technology, they are taking the seeds or indirectly. So without technology is it's been long period to take that and uh, disadvantage sa kanila mga farms. So next is large landholding farmers. Farmers are feeling that they are not sure about the new technologies, particularly those farmers who have large areas. They say that amount of loss will be greater in large field. So akala sa mga farmers noon ay kung pag mag-apply sila sa mga bagong teknolohiya ay mas lalong bumaba ang kanilang kita. So yun yung mga thinking of mind nila. So kaya hindi mag-improve or mag advantage ang kanilang mga most of the mga large areas noon. Next is not believe in technologies and lack of capital. So wala silang mga believe sa mga bagong teknolohiya and wala silang or mas believe sila pero wala silang mga capital para i-apply ang mga bagong teknolohiya. And next is reason for adaptation of technology. So first is the farmers are progressive. They believe in science and technology. So ngayon mas advantage kasi may mga bagong teknolohiya for the farmers. Dapat they must progressive for to learn how to handle new technology. So next is education. Education, they went to school, they know how to read and write. Most are men. So education, uh, before they are not finished the education. So the farms program, they are conduct the school. So most of all are especially for a men, so they are went to school and they know how to read and write. So kailangan nila mag study para alam nila yung mga anong gawin sa mga bagong teknolohiya ngayon, para hindi sila magkalito-lito sa kanilang mga gawain sa pagpa-farm. So next is age group. They are young, less than 40 years old. So less sa ngayon, the, less than of 40 years old, pwede ka pa ring mag adapt ng bagong teknolohiya. So next is recognition of saving money and health. So ngayon may bagong programa na ang farms ngayon, kasi may mga savings, money and health. So kagaya ng PhilHealth sa mga farmers natin na mga hindi nila alam. So by savings na sila, kunwari kung magkasakit sila, may makukunan sila pag magka-aberya sila. So recognition, saving money of health. So next is those farmers are economically stable and believe in the technologies. So the farmers, they must stable, believe in the new technology, because this is the advantage for farmers. How much is now, because they can disadvantage for farmers for our development. And next is introduction for technician. So introduction for technician, they must know and learn from the technician, because dito nila malalaman kung paano gagamitin, paano i-apply sa kanila mga farms, especially itong mga big farms, mga poor farmers. Dapat pina-follow nila ang mga from the technicians. And next is attend technical training and seminars. So the farmers must be attend the technical training seminars para mas lalong malaman nila kung ano ang paggamit or proper use the technologies. So next is trust in technician. So trust in technician, so believe in the technician. So pag galing sa technician, dapat may believe ka, kasi sila yung mga nagtuturo kung anong paggamit or mas proper way to handle that new technology for our poor farmers. So next is observe the demonstration failed and believe that is effective, and then decide to change. So kung isa kang farmers, dapat mag-observe ka sa mga gawaing farms. So the farmers conduct the demonstration field. So pag okay sa'yo, dapat mong pag-decide ka kung anong mga pagbabago sa old practices and change into the new generation practices. So test and recognize it is effective. So try, so recognize the effective. So magta-try ka hanggang sa mga bagong teknolohiya. So kung pag-test mo ay effective, that's why they are not advantage for your farms And next, oral transmission of new technologies among farmers through special occasions such as death anniversaries, weddings, sitting stores, and events, etc. Climate, weather, planting varieties which could withstand through a spell. So, for example, pag dumating yung mga kalamidad, katulad ng mga El Nino, so you are now unaware to how to generate the new technology, and paano kung naata sa sitwasyon kung tagtuyot, so kabalo na ta kung unsaon paggamit sa technology. So next is change in soil fertility. In the still position of flooding period, farmers found out that if technology gives them more benefits and higher income, they will use that technology. So when we say change in soil fertility is sabi pa ng bagong teknolohiya ngayon, pag gumagamit tayo ng bagong teknolohiya ngayon is katulad ng in cell fertility is mga katulad ng mga bagong uh, fertilized soil, organic or inorganic. So mas madali ang pag-improve sa ating mga crops, foods, kasi madaling mag-improve, and hindi na natin abutin pa ng long period para magkaani tayo. This will use the technology para ma-improve and para mas lalong lumago ang ating mga negosyo. Subalit gumagamit tayo ng mga teknolohiya at panibagong diskarte. And that's all. Thank you.